His mama saw his fucking condition, that shit was critical. Every time that you try attacking, that shit is minimal. Eyes peeled, or the ops keep a visual. Born insane, because my head is straight, missing screws. His mama saw his condition, that shit was critical. Every time that you try attacking, that shit is minimal. Eyes peeled, but the ops keep a visual. Born insane, because my head is straight, missing screws. We coming strong, bitch, I know you feel the pressure. I'm all up on my bag, looking for it like a treasure. You think you went up and well, hell nah, bitch, we better. He said the block was hot, shit was dead like a desert. Crime on the news and that shit happened in my backyard. You ain't about shit, I know these pussies tryna act hard. Yo, bitch in my DMs blowing me up, like bitch don't start. Slide in the Civic and we be drifting like a go-kart. No clowns, Saturday night up in downtown. Like I said, don't be clowning up in my house. I don't give a fuck, I ain't show nobody sympathy. I'm from the roughest, and you be posted with the bitches be all black, so no one knows who did the felony. Stop reminiscing, this is a present, not a memory. You think you could stop? Bitch, you crazy off some ecstasy, I run a fade, but it's just quick to use the weaponry. Pigs found my stash and they say that shit is medical. You won't step to the shit, most of you ain't got no testicles. I don't play these games, you ain't gon' make it to the hospital. How you think you gon' stop me? That shit's impossible. All over my city, I got connections. Before you leave your house, tell your mama get a blessing. Cause when you outside, shit's cold like winter season. The bitch 9 or 10, I don't like her, that's one of my reasons. Says she's yours, I take her out on the fucking weekend. Up on the mic, I go crazy like a fucking demon. Bark, no bite, I don't really see the fucking meaning. Summertime, duck down, cause that's the real killer season. Ops living by me and they mad that we move up. 12 gets it looking, they make sure to keep that tool tucked. Never switch up and look back, that's just real one. Mouth running like a marathon, but you ain't gon' do none. You travel to my city, they get hit with the boot. Yeah, I been with this rap shit, so I got something to lose. Back up your shit, talk, you ain't got nothing to do. I'm missing screws, or maybe it's just a couple that's loose. Catching ops, leave them hanging with the motherfucking noose. Stop apologizing, fuck you and your motherfucking truths. Everything could go wrong in a second or two. Homie, you talking crazy shit, you must be off of some shrooms. His mama saw his fucking condition, that shit was critical. Every time that you try attacking, that shit is minimal. Eyes peeled, but the ops keep a visual. Born insane, because my head is straight, missing screws. His mama saw his condition, that shit was critical. Every time that you try attacking, that shit is minimal. Eyes peeled, but the ops keep a visual. Born insane, because my head is straight, missing screws.